guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing a quick little shop with me. I decided to take some time and to go into Five and Below to see if they had any gifts for the kids for Christmas. So I'm gonna go in there and look and just see what I can get and see if there's anything good. And also when we get back home, I will be doing I'll go ahead and like all the presents that we already have for them. I will film them and let you guys see, because I do think we are just about done Christmas shopping. Caleb's birthday is December 3rd and Zoe's birthday is January 4th, so we have a birthday right before and right after Christmas. So I usually, when I'm out shopping for Christmas gifts, I will just grab the birthday gifts as well and add them into the Christmas pile. And when their birthdays come around, I'll just make sure I separate them and everything. So we'll also be looking for birthday presents for Caleb and Zoe here as well. It's just a fun little place. It doesn't have like super good stuff, but it's not super cheap either. It's got some awesome like science experiments and board games and stuff like that. So we are gonna go in and see what we can find. Look how cute that is. That's so cute. Spread joy. Gather. Some cute little room decor and everything. Oh, they're cute. Oh my gosh. You guys, I love pandas. Look how cute he is. I think I might get him. Oh, I think I might get him. I might come back and get him. He's adorable. He's so cute. He's just got a fake plant in him for $3. So this is the wall I'm wanting over here. Lots of arts and crafts things this year. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. And this one's got 5 wooden puzzles. They don't really have any girly ones. Oh yeah. Guess who's who? So I went ahead and grabbed lunch. I got Chick-fil-A, which we have not had since September when we were down on our vacation, because the Chick-fil-A here is always packed. I mean, you can see the cars. There's always like 10 cars in line. So I parked and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take a gamble. And I went inside and I was in and out in like 3 minutes. Excellent. So excited to eat this. So it's the next day, because after I got home yesterday, we just got busy with life. And then I started getting a really bad sore throat. So I went to bed last night at like 7 o'clock. But it is the next day and Caleb is actually upstairs visiting his grandparents. And Zoe is down from her nap, or down for her nap, or she just woke up from her nap. So it's a safe time to go through and show you what we got the kids for Christmas this year. So we did most of our shopping online on Amazon. A few things I got other places. So This is just what we've gotten them. I'm pretty sure we're completely done with Christmas shopping, so this video will kind of help us figure it out if we're done or not. But the first thing we got, the first thing Santa got, they have been really into If You Give a Mouse a Cookie on Amazon, that TV series. So when we went to visit Santa, they asked Santa for If You Give a Mouse a Cookie toys. So we got that. It's just the collectible figurine set, and we got both of them the same thing. Because right now, since Zoe's so young, she doesn't really know what it means to like ask for presents. So pretty much whatever Caleb asks for is what's asked for both of them. Like last year it was the reindeers, and then this year it's this. So that is what we got both of them. Okay. And then this is what I picked up from Five and Below yesterday. I was going to get those little Christmas advents, but I actually decided against it because I'll show you after this video. But I made like my own little stocking. It's got 25 stockings, and we do Christmas crafts, or I just put some candy in there to count, and every day we pull something out of the stocking to get it figured out. So I decided to do that instead of the advent calendars. But this is what I got for them. This one's Zoe's. It's a little, it's got, let's see, I don't want to open it up, but it's got little suction cup princesses in it, and you can stick them on the book and tell a story with the little figurines. So it was super cute. And then we got the same thing for Caleb, but this type. So it's got a storybook and 4 little toys. The next thing we got for them was their own little neck pillows. We got these from, let me tell you the price. These were $20 each on Amazon. And then the storybooks were $5 each at Five and Below. But we got them these from Aldi, and they were $6.99 each because we have 1 or 2 and they love using them. So that way they each have their own little personal ones. Let's see what's in this bag. These are little stocking stuffers I saw at Walmart. I think I hear him coming down the stairs. But I don't know if you've ever seen them, but like it's got a hole in the top, and when you open it up, you put your finger in the hole and a little toy bites you and you pull it out what it is. They were on clearance at Walmart for $1, so I thought they were adorable. So I went ahead and grabbed those. And then for their stockings, right now all I have is Santa's and gold coins. Last year I waited way too long to pick up the gold coins, and there were none. So this year I made sure I got them early. Okay, I guess we did get more than just 1 or 2 things from like stores, but we got these from Target, and they were $7 each in the dollar spot. Obviously they weren't $1, but it's just like hers is a little kitchen. There's a mirror back there, so I'm kind of making sure you guys can see. And then his is a little tool set, and it's got all of that in it, and all of that for hers. But I saw them and I was like, that's so perfect, because usually they have way too many kitchen stuff and they just get overwhelmed by it. So I was like, okay, that's awesome. That way they can just have their own little things, and it's got its own container it goes in, so I don't have to worry about it being all over the house. So actually, let me kind of separate them so I can take stock of what they each have. Okay. Let's see, back when I was getting their winter clothes picked up and everything, I went to the kids consignment sale and I picked these 2 up for them. I picked this one up for him. It's an I Spy Bingo, and it's just a little board game. I thought it'd be fun for him because some of them have letters on it, and stuff like that. So I got that for him, and obviously it was $3.50. And then for Zoe, I thought it was the cutest little thing. It is a My Little Pony magnetic dress-up dolls. And like, it's got different little, wait, is that a, okay, I didn't open it all the way and look, but it's kind of got like a fill-in book. That's cute, kind of like a little coloring book. That's cute. But, so it comes with a little book, and then a little pony that you can get dressed up. So it's magnetic, so I thought that was super cute. So I got her that from the kids consignment store, and it was $4. I don't know where it was originally from, but it was $12.99 originally. And then one little thing I just picked up from the dollar store was just some little doodling pads, because I thought they were just little blank pages, and I thought that would be good for them just to draw on and just do some creative stuff. And we have a storytime book by Margaret Wise Brown, and it's got like, I'm going to say like 10 to 12 different little stories in it that you can read before bed and everything. And there was one that Zoe picked out that she just absolutely loved every time we read it, and one Caleb picked out that he absolutely loved, and we read them every night for weeks. So I went ahead and actually ordered the hardcover books for them of their favorite books that were in there. This one was Zoe's, and then this one was Caleb's, and they both absolutely loved those books, so I got them each their own little copy. I got these from thriftbooks.com, and they were both under $5 each, so that was a good deal. And let's see, these were from Amazon. Let me open it up and show you. It's little jigsaw puzzles for Zoe. It's like little wooden jigsaw puzzles, and you put them together. So she's got a ladybug and a car, just like that. But I got these from Amazon. I'll try to link everything that I can. I'll try to link it down below in the description box. That way, if there's anything that you see that you like, you can go ahead and order it. Okay, so next up is this one for Caleb. It's an outdoor explorer kit. And I don't want to take it out because it was a pain getting it all back in. But it comes with like binoculars and a magnifying glass and a whistle and a vest and some tweezers and a couple other things. So we ordered that from Amazon for him. And then a couple weeks later, I was at the thrift store and I found this. And I was like, oh my gosh, that would go perfect with his little explorer kit. So I picked that up for him. And then the last thing we have is a water mat. So it's like you fill the little pins up with water and they draw on it, and after a while it just kind of disappears. These last two items are probably going to be Christmas birthday gifts for Caleb, because his birthday is December 3rd. So sometimes when I'm out Christmas shopping, I will go ahead and pick up birthday for him as well, just because it's so close to Christmas. And the same thing for Zoe. She gets, her birthday is January 4th. So I've got one right before and one right after Christmas. So that's what I kind of do, is I kind of buy a couple extra for birthday and Christmas. So also for his birthday, we were given a bunch of like Star Wars characters that we're going to give him to play with for his birthday. And the last present we're getting them for Christmas is we're going to take them to Build-A-Bear and let them pick out their new little stuffed animal. Obviously, we're not going to do it on Christmas, so we're going to have just like a little certificate from Santa and let them go and pick out their own stuffed animal. And I think that's it. Of course, I do still have to get a couple small things for their stockings. But other than that, that is what we got the kids for Christmas. But I do believe that is all. If I go out and buy it, I'll probably wait until closer to Christmas to get their stocking stuffers. So I probably won't include that in this video, just since I'm filming it so early, because we got Christmas shopping done early. So yay! Are you done with your Christmas shopping? Let me know in the comments below. But that's all I have for today. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below, and let me know if you're done with your Christmas shopping or if you've even started yet. See you guys in the next one.